welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, we're making some bomb buñuelos. Okay, these are like my favorite Ecuadorian pastries, I guess you could call them, because they contain one ingredient that, let me tell you guys, I'm obsessed with. Okay, which are these bad boys right here. Now these are like some very maduro plantains. They're very ripened, like super ripened, which means that they're really sweet. The ingredients are super simple.
We'll need 3 plantains, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3 eggs, 2 cups of milk, and lastly 2 cups of flour. So one thing I do want to mention is that for this video I'm using 3 plantains. However, the recipe calls for 6 plantains. If you slice each of the plantains into 5 pieces, you get about 30 to 35 buñuelos when you use 6 plantains. So the first step is to crack in 3 eggs into a bowl and mix in the sugar also, whisk it together, and then at last you add the milk. The last ingredient for the batter is the flour, and you want to whisk it and incorporate all the ingredients together. Make sure you don't have any lumps in your batter because then that would taste horrible.
So for the next step, you have to get half a cup of the batter and put it in like a plate or like a little bowl or something, and you're gonna put 5 of the plantains in the batter, okay? And now the reason why we're doing this is because we're not using a lot of the batter, like not a lot of the batter is going to go in with the plantains, okay? It's like little by little, like you don't want them to be very like bready, okay?
Moving on to the stove, I have on medium heat 1/3 of the cast iron skillet with canola oil. Now I'm placing each plátano one by one, and with the remaining batter, I'm sealing each buñuelo. You want to let it cook for about 3 minutes on one side, then flip it, and another 3 minutes on the other side till you see a good golden color.
This is the first batch that came out, and I've been waiting for it to cool down, making the other batches. Definitely give these a try because they are the bomb.com. And if they're not, it's probably because you burned them, okay? So keep it on medium heat, not low, not high, medium. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Plantain, yellow plantain. Oh my god, you have to wait till it's like cold. Oh my god. I mean, I even dressed like a plantain today, so show my plantain some love. Bye.